Hey guys, here's another amazing recipe that I'd love for you to try. Look at this absolutely creamy and delicious chicken. To make this recipe, you will need boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Go ahead and cut them into bite-sized pieces and then season them with garlic and a mix of seasonings, which I have in the description box. Pour those in and then add a squeeze of lemon juice. This is optional. Also add some yogurt. This is plain yogurt. And then mix all those ingredients into the chicken. Get it nicely coated like so. Then go ahead and spread it on a baking pan, a flat one like this. And you're going to bake that chicken for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then in a pan, go ahead and fry some yellow onion with butter. Just cook it for a minute or two. And then here's the secret ingredient, some cashew nuts. But I know some people don't use nuts. So if you cannot use nuts, omit this, but it adds the creaminess and the thickness to the sauce. You can substitute this with coconut milk. Go ahead and add your tomatoes. They could be diced, they could be tomato sauce or fresh tomatoes, but I use tomato sauce here. Mix it in and cook it down for about 3 minutes, just to allow the onions to cook further and the cashews to absorb a little bit of liquid, because we are going to be blending this later. Also, please do check out my books on Amazon and grab some copies, and I'll appreciate your support. Now moving back, I've blended my sauce. Now add a little bit more butter into the pan again and then add in your blended sauce. It looks really good. And then you're going to add a few more ingredients at this stage. So a little bit more yogurt. Remember, I have all the measurements in the description box. Some evaporated milk. This is just going to add to the creaminess of the sauce as well as its nutritional content. Mix those in nicely. Now it's super creamy and thick. At this stage, we are going to add in our chicken, which has been baking for 20 minutes. Look at that. So it's already done. So you're just mixing it in to absorb the sauce. So pour in the chicken and mix it in. Just make sure all the pieces are coated with the thick seasoning. And then you're going to cover it and simmer it for about 3 more minutes on very low heat. And it is ready to go. So you can serve this amazing chicken with rice. It could be with potatoes. It could be with anything, or even chapati. Yeah, so that is it, guys. And thank you for checking out this recipe. I hope you try it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in another video. Thank you very much for checking out this recipe. Bye-bye.